Benvenuti! Welcome to Quick Italian. Today I will learn Italian in a quick way. This is the most fun and easiest way to learn Italian quickly. So let's begin. Iniziamo. Our first phrase is buio. Buio, dark. Buio, dark. Next one is bright. Luminoso. Luminoso. Bright in Italian is luminoso. Full, pieno. Full in Italian is pieno. Pieno, full. Empty. Empty in Italian is vuoto. Vuoto. Repeat after me if you want. Buio, luminoso, pieno, vuoto. If you like the video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. Now let's move on to our next phrases. Next one is largo. Largo in English is wide. Wide in Italian is largo. Famous. Famous in Italian is famoso. Famoso for the masculine one and famosa for the feminine one. Our next phrase is comfortable. Comfortable in Italian is comodo. Comodo. And uncomfortable in Italian is scomodo. Comodo is comfortable and scomodo is uncomfortable. Please try to remember these phrases. These are very simple and short ones, so you can remember them easily and use them in your daily routine if you want to learn Italian faster. I repeat them: largo, famoso, comodo, scomodo. Thank you for watching. Ciao presto.